The University of Michigan's surveys of consumers have been measuring consumer attitudes towards the economy for 80 years. And as we approach another midterm election, the economy remains one of the biggest factors on consumers' minds, and our survey has a lot to say about it. So first of all, one of the recent factors that has really come to the attention of consumers is AI. About a year ago, we had basically no consumers mentioning AI during interviews. In just a few short months, we're up to 13% of consumers mentioning AI. And these mentions are spontaneous and they take a few different forms. Consumers aren't all in agreement. When you look at our data and we split the data by people who have high stock wealth and people who don't have any stock wealth, we see very different views. Those who have really high levels of stock, they feel much better about the economy than if you don't have any stock or if you're a low wealth person. And that makes sense. It doesn't matter to you if the stock market is soaring because of AI if you don't own any stock. And as of July of this year, we still have over half of consumers spontaneously telling us that high prices are weighing down their personal finances. And one of the reasons for that is gas prices. And this is one of the things that has emerged in recent months since the start of the Iran conflict. We had a ceasefire for some time and gas prices started coming down in late June and the beginning of July, and that helped boost sentiment in recent weeks. But it is really hard to see how this is sustainable unless gas prices continue to come down. And in the latest reading, it looks like that's not been the case. So it's really anyone's prediction at this point, what's going to happen to gas prices, how that's going to influence consumers' pocketbooks and their feelings about the economy as the election approaches. We are currently in the field right now collecting data on what people expect to happen in the midterm elections, and we expect to put data out on that in October, so stay tuned.